Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to upload code into your Arduino microcontroller. First, open your Arduino IDE software, then open a new sketch. When you open a new sketch, this code will be by default available. We don't want it, we can simply delete it. Next, we have to write down our code. I'm going to simply paste it. You can refer your manual for the code. In this experiment, we are going to use an IR sensor as an input, where we will be using an LED as an output. So, in the code, we can see we have two voids. The first one is void setup, where we are going to mention whether the device we are using is an input or an output. IR sensor is an input, so we will be getting the data from it. So we are going to mention it as an input, whereas we are giving data to LED, so it will be considered as output device. So here we will be declaring the device behavior. Next, we have a loop. We will be taking a variable named IR value, where we will be storing the IR sensor's data. That is, the data obtained from IR sensor will be stored in this IR value. Next, we have a loop. As we know that IR sensor is an active low device, we have to mention that if IR value, the data obtained from is, if the data from the obtained IR sensor is low, then we have to turn on the LED. We can do this by simply digital write LED pin high. This will make that the state of LED will be turned on. That is, it will become 1. If the data obtained from IR sensor is not low, that is means if the data received is high, we can simply write digital write LED pin low. This will keep LED turned off. Next, we are going to upload this code, compile this code. Simply click on this right button. As you can see, there is no error in this code. Then we have to select our board. Simply click here, select other board and port. Simply search Arduino Uno. It has been selected, and connect your USB cable. As you can see, our USB cable has been appeared here. Simply select it, Arduino Uno, and here. Then simply upload the code. Here you can see the compiling has been done, and we have successfully uploaded our code. Thank you.
IR sensor module. So let's start the connection. As you can see, this is the IR sensor, in which you can see 3 pins or output, ground, VCC. This works on the 3.3 volt, and you can see a potentiometer to change the sensitivity, and we can see a IR transmitter and the IR receiver to it sends the data in infrared light and takes the output by using the receiver. So let's start the connection. So for the out we have connected to the pin 2, which is in 2, and ground to ground, to ground of the Arduino Uno, and VCC to 3.3 volt. So next is LED, and in the column the LED is connected to the 13 pin and ground terminal of the Arduino Uno. So after the connection, as you can see, the IR sensor does not detect anything, so the light is off. When the IR sensor detects, the LED turns on. As you can see, when nothing detects, it gets turned off.